content of this lecture is significant figures and rounding of the numbers. First of all, we will see the significant figures. First, answer me this question, that what are the physical quantities? Anybody? Yes. What are the physical
What
quantities?
are the physical quantities? Ma'am, all measurable quantities are called physical quantities.
Yes, very good. Okay, what are its two common characteristics? What are the two common characteristics of physical quantity? If we want to define a physical quantity, what are the two basic things we will define? Yes,
Ma'am, numerical magnitude and unit.
very good. Numerical magnitude and unit. Okay. How can we say that the instrument is most accurate and precise? Yes. कैसे कह सकते हैं हम कि ये इंस्ट्रूमेंट ज्यादा प्रिसाइज है, ज्यादा एक्यूरेट है? क्यों कहते हैं, किस वजह से कहते हैं? यस, एनीबडी फ्रॉम यू? Musaf Ali, unmute yourself. Yes, Musaf.
Yes, miss.
हम ये क्यों कहते हैं कि इंस्ट्रूमेंट ज्यादा प्रिसाइज है या ज्यादा एक्यूरेट है? क्या चीज हमें बताती है उसकी एक्यूरेसी और प्रिसीशन के बारे में? यस मुसफ?
Miss,
Okay, anybody else want to give the answer? Yes, unmute your mic. Yes. How can we say that the instrument is more accurate and precise?
ma'am, because of its least count.
The smallest value which we can measure accurately from that instrument. Yes, very good. Smaller the least count means more accurate the reading we have. Okay. All right. Now the definition of significant figures. The accuracy in measuring a physical quantity depends upon various factors. Okay. I have already told you that whenever we measure any physical quantity and whenever we measure the value of any physical quantity, there are certain factors, there are certain errors that affect the measurement. The quality of measuring instrument, if the quality of measuring instrument is not good, it means that it leads to an instrumental error. Okay. Number 2, the skill of the observer. If the observer is not skilled, he or she is not taking the precautions that are required for the measurement from any instrument, then it leads to the personal error. It will add a personal error into your measurement. Now the third one is the number of observation made. Whenever we measure value of any physical quantity from any instrument, we take the maximum number of observation, because if there is some random error due to any problem has occurred, so it can be minimized with the help of the by taking the average of these readings. ठीक है, बहुत सारी नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशंस लेंगे, एवरेज वैल्यू लेंगे, तो उस एवरेज वैल्यू में वो जो रैंडम एरर है हमारा वो मिनिमाइज हो जाएगा जो कि किसी भी वजह से हुआ है. Now there is an example. We have taken a measuring tape. A student has taken a measuring tape and he is measuring the length of a book, and he measured its length is as 18 centimeter. ठीक है, तो in 18 we have two significant figures. Okay, 1 and 8. 1 is the accurately known and 8 is doubtful. हो सकता है ऑब्जर्वर के साथ कोई मसला हो गया हो, कोई रीडिंग लेने में प्रॉब्लम हो गई हो, तो उसने 10 के बाद 8 डिवीजन्स करेक्टली रीड किए हैं या नहीं, इसलिए 8th डिवीजन जो हमारा ये जो 8 है ये डाउटफुल है 18 सेंटीमीटर्स की रीडिंग में. क्लियर? ओके. नाउ अनदर स्टूडेंट मेजर द सेम बुक लेंथ, और उसने जो लेंथ बताई वो 18.4 सेंटीमीटर बताई विद द सेम थिंग, विद द सेम मेजरिंग टेप. तो यहाँ पर जो 18 है बेसिकली 3 सिग्निफिकेंट डिजिट्स हैं. यहाँ पर जो 18 है उसमें जो 1 और 8 हैं दे आर एक्यूरेटली नोन डिजिट्स, एंड 4 इज द डाउटफुल वन, क्योंकि हो सकता है 0.4 तक लेने में उसने कोई ना कोई एरर, पर्सनल एरर उसका इन्वॉल्व हो गया. दैट इज व्हाई वी आर टेकिंग 4 एज अ डाउटफुल डिजिट. Now the third student is there and he is taking the reading with the help of the ruler. Again, first reading was taken by the measuring tape and the other two readings are taken by the rulers, same ruler. So 18.425 centimeter was his measurement. So यहाँ पर हमारे पास दोबारा से 3 सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स हैं. 3 क्यों लिया हमने? 18.4 तक की जो सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स थी उन्हें हमने सिग्निफिकेंट, जो 18.4 तक के जो डिजिट्स थे उन्हें हमने सिग्निफिकेंट डिजिट्स कंसीडर किया, बट 2 and 5 को हटा दिया. कोई बता सकता है इसका रीजन कि 2 and 5 को हमने इनसिग्निफिकेंट क्यों डिक्लेयर किया है? यस, कैन एनीबडी टेल that why we have been declared 2 and 5 as insignificant digits? Yes.
Because we can't क्योंकि हम रूलर से इतनी एक्यूरेसी में मेजरमेंट नहीं ले सकते.
कितनी एक्यूरेसी होती है रूलर की?
1 डेसिमल प्लेस तक.
ओके, सो रूलर में इतनी एक्यूरेसी नहीं है. रूलर का जो हमारे पास लीस्ट काउंट होता है सेंटीमीटर्स में, वो होता है 0.1 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, so that is why we cannot consider this 2 and 5 as significant figure, because we know that our measuring instrument cannot give this accuracy in the measurement. ठीक है, तो यही तरीका होता है सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स को इसी तरह से हम डिटेक्ट कर सकते हैं कि कौन सा मेजरिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट लिया गया है, उसका लीस्ट काउंट क्या है और वो कितनी एक्यूरेसी हमें प्रोवाइड करता है. तो जो मेजरमेंट उसने ली है वो किस हद तक सिग्निफिकेंट है, कौन से डिजिट तक सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स हैं उसमें. ओके, so the definition of significant figures is all accurately known digits and 1 doubtful digit. And we already know that the improvement in the quality of measurement by using instruments increases the number of significant figures. ठीक है, क्वालिटी ऑफ मेजरमेंट की में अगर आप इम्प्रूवमेंट चाहते हैं तो आपको ऐसा इंस्ट्रूमेंट चूज करना पड़ेगा जो आपको ज्यादा सिग्निफिकेंट डिजिट्स दे आपकी मेजरिंग वैल्यू में. अब अगर हमें लेंथ ऑफ बुक ज्यादा एक्यूरेट तरीके से फाइंड आउट करनी है तो फिर हम वर्नियर कैलिपर्स का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। लेंथ के बजाय अगर हम डायमीटर ऑफ बुक की बात करें तो वो ज्यादा सही होगा, क्योंकि लेंथ के लिए आप इतना ज्यादा ओपन नहीं कर सकते जॉज ऑफ द वर्नियर कैलिपर्स को, ठीक है। तो लेंथ के लिए तो नहीं, लेकिन अगर आप डायमीटर ऑफ द बुक फाइंड आउट करना चाहते हैं, सॉरी थिकनेस ऑफ द बुक फाइंड आउट करना चाहते हैं, तो तब आप कह सकते हैं कि यस वी कैन यूज वर्नियर कैलिपर्स फॉर द बेस्ट एक्यूरेसी, फॉर द मैक्सिमम प्रिसीजन और मैक्सिमम एक्यूरेसी। ओके, नाउ हियर आर सम रूल्स। अगर आपको इंस्ट्रूमेंट ना दिया जाए और आपसे सिंपली कहा जाए कि आप सिग्निफिकेंट डिजिट्स फाइंड आउट करें इन नंबर्स में, so there are certain rules with the help of which you can identify the significant figures in a number. Rule number 1, all the digits other than 0 are always significant. For example, in 36, in 36 we have two significant digits, both are non-zero numbers, so there are two significant digits. In 745 we have three significant digits, because according to the rule there are three non-zero digits. Second rule, the zeros between significant digits are also significant, which means that if we have 0 placed in between non-zero numbers like this, 3 4 0 6 में यहाँ 3 4 and 6 के दरमियान में यहाँ 0 मौजूद है, तो ये 0 भी significant count होगा. So there are total 4 significant digits. Okay. Again, in 205 we have 3 significant digits, because this 0 will be count as a significant digit according to the rule. Clear? Okay. Now the third rule. Final 0 or 0 after decimal are significant. For example, like this. इस point के बाद ये जो दो zeros हैं, ये आपके precision को बता रहे होते हैं, आपकी accuracy define कर रहे होते हैं, ठीक है। किसी भी measuring instrument की accuracy define कर रहे होते हैं, तो point के बाद जितने भी ये zeros होते हैं decimal के बाद, उन्हें significant consider किया जाता है. So there are 5 significant digits. Similarly, in this example, there are 6 significant digits. 0 used for spacing the decimal point are not significant. Now look at the example. In this number 0.01, these two zeros are the placeholders. One is for due to the decimal point and one is due to the due to this spacing. Decimal point spacing के लिए और इस decimal point के लिए जो place holding zeros हम use करते हैं, वो insignificant consider किए जाते हैं. So there is only one significant digit. Similarly, in this example, we have only 3 significant digits, or these two zeros are considered as placeholders. Clear? Okay. Now tell me that which of the following quantities have 3 significant numbers? Okay, how many significant figures in the quantity A? Yes, Arfa Aziz, please unmute your mic and tell me that how many significant digits are there in A quantity. Yes. Yes. Unmute your mic. Yes, very good. 5. Number 2. In B, how many significant figures are there in B? Hasib, yes, tell me that how many significant figures are there in B? Haseeb, unmute your mic. Can you hear me? Yes, Haseeb. Okay, Misbah Pirzada. Yes, dear. How many significant figures are there in B?
Miss 3.
Okay, why we are not taking these zeros as significant digits?
Because they are for just spacing.
Very good. Okay. Now C. Okay. Yes, Dua. How many significant digits are there in C?
Miss 3.
Okay. Whenever we have a number representing in the form of a scientific notation, then we will not consider the scientific notation in the significant digits. We will only consider the numbers that are placed before the scientific notation. Okay. So there are 3 significant digits. And in D, in the D option,
3.
yes, Dua. Uh, look at them carefully. How many significant digits are there? Carefully check and tell me. Yes, dear. Yes, Dua. Carefully
Miss
check
2.
in D option. 301.0. How many significant digits are there? According to the rule number 3, पॉइंट के बाद डेसिमल पॉइंट के बाद के जो जीरोस होते हैं उनको भी सिग्निफिकेंट कंसीडर किया जाता है. पढ़ा था अभी पढ़ा था हमने.
Yes, Miss 4.
कितने हुए? 4 हो गए. अच्छा, अब बताइए कि कौन से ऑप्शंस में 3 थे, 3 सिग्निफिकेंट डिजिट्स थे.
C or B?
Yes, so B and C have 3 significant digits in it. Okay, so here is another example. Yes, Mahira, first one in the A. How many significant digits are there?
Ma'am, 4.
4 digits. Very good. Yes. How many significant digits are there in B?
Ma'am 3.
3. In C, anyone from boys? Please raise your hand. Anybody from boys? Yes, Haseeb. How many significant digits in C? Hello, Haseeb. Can you hear me? I think there's some problem in your mic. Yes, Saad. How many significant digits are there in C? Okay, Haseeb is acknowledging in chat that 3 significant digits. Okay. Now, what about D? Yes. How many significant digits? Yes, unmute yourself, Ruma. How many significant digits are in D?
I'm 4.
4. And which rule is applicable here? जब तक मैं ना कहा करूं प्लीज अनम्यूट ना किया करें. ओके, 4 है और इसमें कौन सा हमारे पास रूल फॉलो कर रहे हैं हम?
Ma'am, 4.
Rule number 2. Yes, rule number 2 we are following. Okay, so this is it for the significant digits. It was your whole topic. I hope that you all have understand it, and if you have any question, then you may ask. Hasib, I'm requesting you to unmute your mic. Okay. Do anyone have any question? Yes. Acknowledge on chat or raise your hand if any one of you have any question regarding this topic. Okay. Okay, thank you.